Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to invite an additional attendee to an existing Microsoft Outlook meeting in 2026. Now this particular thing helps you add more people without cancelling or recreating the meeting events. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer. Once you are here inside your Outlook dashboard, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of calendar. Once you are here on your calendar, you just have to find the meeting where you want to add the another person. Once you are able to find it, you just have to double click on it in order to open it. Now here, click on the option of add it on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now in the to field, you just have to type the email of the new attendee that you want to invite. You can also directly click on this attendees option. Here you can type the email of the attendees very easily. Once you are done, simply click on the option of save, and here once you click on the option of save, you will also be asked to select the option of send. So when you click on the option of send update, Outlook will send a new meeting invite only to the added attendee and not to everyone else. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.